Alright, so now I'm going to cancel the square root out with the square. So it's going to go down to 7n plus 4. Alright, now I got a FOIL. So I'm going to do first, outer, inner, last. So the first is 4 times 4, so that would just be 16. So now I'm going to do the outer, so 4 times the square root of 4 minus n. You can't really multiply those, so I'm just going to leave it as 4 times square root of 4 minus n. And now the inner will be the same thing because it's square root of 4 minus n times 4. So I'm going to do plus 4 times the square root of 4 minus n. And then the last one will be square root of 4 minus n times the square root of 4 minus n. And so when you times the square root times the square root, it'll just cancel those out. So then it'll be plus 4 minus n. Alright, so now I'm going to combine my terms. Alright, so I'm going to combine the 4 times the square root of 4 minus n right now. So that would be 8 times the square root of 4 minus n. So those are gone. Now I'm going to combine 16 and 4, and that would be plus 20. And then it would be minus n equals 7n plus 4. Alright. So now I'm going to keep combining like terms, so I'm going to flip this over to make it 8n. And then flip the 20 over across the equal sign, which will make it negative 20. So then it would be negative 16. So all I'm left on the left side is 8 to the square root of 4 minus n. Alright, so now I'm going to divide the 8 to get that out of there. So 8. So I'm left with square root 4 minus n equals 8 divided by 8 is n. And negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2. Alright, now I gotta square both sides to get rid of that square root. And I got a FOIL again, since it's a binomial. Let's FOIL over here. Or FOIL. Alright, so I'm gonna FOIL n minus 2 times n minus 2. Alright, so first, outer, inner, last. So n times n equals n squared. N times negative 2 is negative 2n. N times negative 2 is negative 2n. And then last, negative 2 times negative 2. And negative times negative is positive, so it's a plus 4. Alright. So I'm left with 4 minus n equals n squared minus 2n plus 4. So now I'm going to combine like terms and make it equal to 0. So 0. I'm going to flip. Let's do this first. I'm going to combine negative 2 and negative 2n, which will be negative 4n. And I got to flip the negative n over to that side, so then it'll be positive. So it would be negative 3n, and then take the 4, move it over that side, and it would be cancel out. So you're left with 0 equals n squared minus 3n. Alright, so now I have to combine these terms, and I'm going to divide by n. So then that's going to be, I divide both sides by n. So that would be n equals n, no, that's not right. It would be 0 equals n minus 3. So now I'm going to flip the n over to the 0 side. So it'd be negative n equals negative 3, and divide, you can't have a negative, divide it by negative 1. So the answer would be n equals 3. Alright, so I got n equals 3. I'm going to need to check now, just to make sure that's right. Alright, so I'm going to get the equation. 4 equals square root of 7. I'll replace the n 3 plus 4 minus square root of 4 minus, place that n with a 3. So now I just got to simplify that, and I got to do 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Equals. And then I gotta do negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Or no, negative 3 plus 4, then equals 1. So I gotta square root that. So then it would be minus 1. So then that would be 4. So it's 4 equals 4. So it works. Alright, so the answer is 3.